Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm making manwich. I haven't made manwich in so long, you guys. So I just had taste for it. So here I am. Some people, they make their own, put their own like sauces and stuff in here. But I like this one. So my meat, sorry about that you guys. My meat is already brown. And here we go, you guys. Wipe my hand off. Get this stirred. And I got some French fries on deck. I know when we was coming up and when my mom used to make this for us, it tasted better than it do now. You know, a lot of things, they take the sugars and things out and, you know, and it's different. You can tell it. And it might be the reason why I haven't cooked manwich in so long. Maybe that's because of that. It didn't taste like how it was when I was coming up. So I'm going to see today. And with my manwich here, I like to let it simmer on low, probably for like 10 minutes. And that will give my French fries time to cook. So I don't know, was I'm going to fry them on the stove or put them in the air fryer. I think I might air fry them. Okay, so hold on you guys. Okay you guys, it's my pan. I sprayed just a little of this stuff. I had my fries sitting out so they can get a little ice crystal water. These some big fries. Look at these. Ooh. These the Kroger. Okay. And I'm gonna add a little of this on top. Okay. Air fryer. Okay. Okay, guys, and I will be back shortly. Okay, you guys. I know this lighting won't do any justice. Let me see. Can I get this light on? But they starting to get a little bit golden brown. I like mine a little bit more. Okay. So, and here's my manwich here. Need to be stirred up. I'm gonna get my salt for my fries. Put it over here. So I'm gonna cook my manwich up, you guys, on two, because it's been simmering. So I'm gonna try to stir it up. I think what I'm gonna do, because I still see some grease, I guess from the tomato sauce, because I drained it. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to re-drain it. Hold on, you guys. I don't want my sloppy joe that sloppy. Hold on. Okay, you guys. Everything is about done. I cut it up at 2, so everything is done. Look at my little orange pile over here, you guys. I split them in 4s, and they are so juicy and sweet. I have my coffee pot soaking in baking soda. I do that every once in a while. And these fries are lightly golden brown. Okay, so I will be back to show you my plate. Okay, guys, you see the bell peppers and stuff. So I like that. It might be too much for this little bitty bun. I'm just gonna make me one for now. I think that should be just a little bit more, because I don't like this stuff everywhere all on my clothes. And okay, and I got my hinds on deck. Oh, fries is hot. I just want a few fries. Okay. Some people like cheese on theirs. I have cheese, but I'm not going to add it. I'm just going to eat one for now. I might add a piece of cheese later. But I'm going to add me some ketchup on the side to dip my fries in, you guys. So, just a few little fries. Let me taste them and see if they salted enough. Ooh, the one thing they hot. Okay, this is my little dinner. Just a few fries. My manwich on deck. I have Mountain Dew on deck. So I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back with another video. And bye-bye for now. Ooh, hot.